Hello out there, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Olutola. This is another episode of a practice question tutorial on my channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be solving this problem. So I have 3 raised to power 2x minus y equals to 1 and 16 raised to power x divided by 4 equals to 8 raised to power 3x minus y. These are indices, and the first thing I'm going to do is to express each of these as a linear equation. So we know that 3 raised to power 0 is 1. So what I'm going to do here is I'll write this in index form. Then I bring down this 3 raised to power 2x minus y. Now since they both have the same base, that's 3 here and 3 here. So that means the powers are equal. Therefore, I can equate the powers. I will have 2x minus y equals to 0. So I can further rearrange this. I'm going to have 2x equals to y. Then I have an expression for y, which is y equals to 2x. I take this as equation 1. Then I come to this other one here, 16, 4, 8. Those are powers of 2. So I can write 16 raised to power x as 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 raised to power x over 2 raised to power 2, then equals to 2 raised to power 3, that's 8. That's 8 into bracket 3 raised to power 3x minus y. So what I've done here is to make 16, 4 and 8 in powers of 2. Now I can go on. I'm going to have 2 raised to power 4x over 2 raised to power 2 equals to 2 raised to power, I will open this one up here. I'm going to have 9x minus 3y. So that is this. Then according to the law of indices, when you are dividing, you can subtract the powers. So I'm going to have, let me manage that in here. I'm going to have 2 raised to power 4x minus 2. That's for this. Then equals to 2 raised to power 9x minus 3y. So just as I did earlier, their bases are the same, that's 2. So I can equate the powers. I will have 4x minus 2 equals to 9x minus 3y. So I can further rearrange this. I'll take 4x to the other side, and I bring I leave 2 here, minus 2 here. So I will have I will have minus 2 equals to 9x minus 4x minus 3y. So I have minus 2 equals to 5x minus 3y. Then I have 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. That's my equation 2. So I'm going to solve equation 1. use equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So I have my equation 1, y equals to 2x, equation 2, 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. So what I will do is to substitute. I'm going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So that'll be very easy. 5x minus 3. So in the place of y here, I'm going to put 2x into bracket 2x equals to minus 2. So I will have 5x minus 6x, that's 3 times 2, then equals to minus 2. So I have here 5x minus 6x, that's minus 1x. So that will be minus x equals to minus 2. You know, we don't write the 1. Okay, so the minus sign can cancel, so we have x to be 2. Alright, so I've gotten x. So from equation 1 is y equals to 2x. So I'm going to use that to get my y equals to 2x. Then y equals to 2 into bracket 2, because x is 2, we got that here. So y will be equals to 4. So I have x to be 2, I have y to be 4. If I do a check on the question to see if I'm correct, the question given was 3 raised to power 2x minus y equals to 1. So if I put the value of x 2 here as 2 here, I will have 3 raised to power 4 minus 4, y is 4. So that will give us 3 raised to power 0, and 3 raised to power 0 is 1. So this is correct. If I check on the second equation, I have 16 raised to power x divided by 4 equals to 8 raised to power 3x minus y. So x is 2, 16 square is 256. 256 divided by 4, that will give us 6, remaining 1 here, that will give us 64. Okay, so if I put 2 here now, this will be 6. So 6 minus 4 will give us 2. So 8 square now, 8 square will give us 64. That means we are correct.